Okay, guys, today I'm making some shrimp Parmesan garlic pasta. Gonna start with our seasonings, our garlic powder, body Cajun season, onion salt, Old Bay, onion powder, boil your water, put your noodles in, stir them things up, put that butter in that pan, put that garlic in that pan, mix that thing up, mix it, get the chicken broth. So you just pour all up in there, have whipping cream, or they have the whipping cream up in there. Add the Parmesan seasoning. You're going to add your Old Bay seasoning, your onion salt, your onion powder, your garlic powder, your bay, gaba, whatever, your parsley. And you're going to stir all that up into your noodles. Add your choice of protein. I made some cheddar bay biscuits for the side. Red Lobster. They was good. Then look at that. Look at that work of art. As the kids say, it was busting.